Well, hello there friends, I hope that you're doing well. Here is an update with the GT Avalanche that I bought around 2 months ago. Since then I've worked on it, changed a few parts, and I just wanted to show the result for now. At this point I don't think I will make any more changes because I'm happy with the result. Also, probably I will have to paint the frame at some point because it's in not a great shape. Alright, so let's go over the changes and the things I've done to it. Okay, so I have replaced the handlebar with this one branded Zoom, which has 700 millimeters. I've changed the brake levers. I had this one surround. These are identical with the ones from the bicycle, branded Pro Max. By the way, this is a GT Avalanche 3.0, 2009 or 2010. Okay, I've changed the stem with this one. This one is branded Katana. It has 65 millimeters and a 35 degrees angle, using the same stock cap here. Looking very good. Added some new spacers branded FSA. I've changed all the cables and all the cable housing. Alright, on the front I had to change the disc brake because the other one was a bit bent, and on both cases, front and back, I've changed the brake calipers. These are some leftovers from my old Rock Rider 520. These are Tektro calipers using Pro Max levers, and this is how they work. Completely fine, very smooth. You can press the lever just like a hydraulic brake, maybe a bit hard, but still around there. I had to change the seat post clamp. This one is branded M-Wave. The one from the bicycle, that came with the bicycle, was just not working at all. And also I've changed the tires front and back with this Schwalbe Rapid Rob tires. These are 26 with 2.1, and they seem to be pretty narrow, not very big, but they are very light and decently fast enough. So I've removed the front shifter, so the front derailleur is completely removed because I wanted to make just with one ring drivetrain, and for that I bought this narrow wide ring branded Motsuv. This is just a Chinese ring, very cheap, around $8 I think, aluminium, using the same cassette, same derailleur, just a frame protector from Merida. I've painted the crank arms using some flat pedals, aluminium. My old specialized bottle cage And for the saddle, I bought a new one branded DDK TRK Comfort Deluxe. It's a Chinese brand, DDK, and it's very comfortable, pretty wide, 175 millimeters, I think, right? I guess this is pretty much it. Also added this foam grip, which doesn't work that great. Probably I'm going to replace it. Doesn't feel even very safe. It's very slippery. Added a ring bell and my old between cyclo computer. And I guess this is the bicycle. I'm going to make more videos about it, talk in particular about every component, but for now this is the bicycle. If you plan to buy a old GT Avalanche like this one, this could be the end result. Overall, a very fun bicycle. The fork works, pretty much everything works on it, but it was quite a struggle to find some parts, especially the hanger, because I had to replace it, the stock one. It wasn't even the stock one, it was a CNC made derailleur hanger, and it was not working at all. It bent two of my quick release skewers, and that went pretty bad, but in the end it worked fine. With this setup, with this narrow wide 34 tooth ring and 8-speed cassette, the stock one, from what I see I can get around 20 kilometers per hour if I sprint around 25-26, but we can also consider that it's winter and it's a bit windy, a bit cold. I have some clothes that weight a bit more, so probably in the summer the bike will be a bit faster. And also considering that these are not very fast tires, I mean not the fastest, they are fast but not the fastest. Alright, so I guess this was my video with my GT Avalanche 3.0 restored, I can say restored in 2022. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos with this bicycle and overall other bicycle related videos. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments, and thank you for watching.